Getting air filter oil on your hands can suck, whether you're working on an air filter on your motorcycle, your car, K&N filter, I don't really know, don't really care. But I got two different types of oil here. I got what is this? A Maxima spray-on air filter oil and a Uni foam filter oil. So two different types. We're gonna show you a couple ways to get this stuff off your hands. Ooh, that's nice. Back spray. Oh, dude, that's nasty. If you're changing air filters, you should probably use gloves, but if you're a dork like me, check it out. We're gonna let this actually dry off a little bit, right? So we're not just pulling your guys' chain. We're gonna let this dry, tacky up. Here, even check it out. I got a lot on here. The sticky test, okay? Here's a white piece of paper. Oh, coming out, sticky. Not quite doing what I hoped, but let this tacken up. We'll get there. In the meantime, let's go do some stuff that you would do with sticky hands. Just kidding, we all know you can't do that. But I've waited a few minutes, about 10 to be exact. My hands are super tacky. Look at this, it's nasty. I'll show you guys how to get it off. All right, so check it out. I'm gonna use our wall dispenser because my hands are so gross, I can actually use my elbow for this. One squirt of that, let's see what happens.
Yes, of course.
Boom. Just like that, one wash later, we are tackiness free, both the front and back side of the hand. If I dry this off a little bit more, we can try the sticky test again. Before and after.